Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing the watch. Update watchOS and put the watch in silent mode so Taptic signals aren't masked. Once done, open Settings, go to Sounds and Haptics, and set haptic strength to prominent. This ensures you feel subtle patterns. Next, navigate to Settings Clock and toggle on Taptic Time. You're not done yet. These prerequisites prime the mechanism so the next steps deliver clear, distinguishable haptic cues. Now choose the pattern and why it matters. Open Taptic Time options and pick haptic only for discrete alerts or speaking and haptic if you want voice confirmation as well. Once selected, customize the mapping. Assign one tap for hours, a double for 5-minute intervals, or a continuous sweep for minutes, so you can interpret time by feel. Make sure to use the preview to adjust intensity and repeats. Testing refines recognition. Finish by practicing and troubleshooting. Raise your wrist or tap the watch face to trigger Taptic Time, and train yourself to read hours first, then minutes. Short practice sessions build accuracy fast. If you don't feel taps, make sure haptic strength is higher and that the case back is clean and snug. Dirt or loose bands reduce feedback. If patterns fail entirely, toggle Taptic Time off and on or restart the watch. This simple reset often restores normal function.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.